Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install it, custom content or CC for Sims 4. So the first thing what we need to do here, of course, is to open a browser, and then you just need to look for custom content. So in this case, I will look for Sims 4 hairstyles, and then I'll go here and I will download some hairstyles that I want to have. All I need to do here is to press download here and wait for a couple of seconds until I can get access to download file. Then I just need to press and save it, for example, to desktop and wait until installation process is done. And after download is finished, you should have files. If your files is not zipped, you're good to go. You can skip this step. But if your files is zipped, all you need to do here is to press right click, extract all, and then extract, for example, to desktop, right? And then you just need to delete CC zip folder, right? Another thing that you need to do here after you got the files is to go to File Explorer. Then you need to go to Documents, then look for Electronic Arts. Then here you need to go look for Sims 4 and look for Mods folder. If you don't have Mods folder, just create one, press New, name it Mods. Then you need to go to Mods, right click on blank space, select New and name it CC, right? And then what you need to do here is simply drag and drop these particular mods to your game, okay? And another thing that you need to do here after your mods is here, make sure it's on the mods folder here. Also, if mods is not loading in your game, you just need to press escape, go to game options, then go to other, make sure enable custom content and mods and script mods allowed is checkmarked. If it's not, checkmark it, apply the changes, restart the game, and the mods or CC custom content will work. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.